Alright, what's up guys? My name is Patrick, and today we actually have an exhaust part. Miatas are just too quiet, so we're gonna make it a little bit louder. This should be an Axleback, hopefully. This is by Cobalt, basically the eBay special. I'll leave a link to it in the description. But yeah, just got the box today, and we're gonna install it today. Oh, yes! Okay, I'm about to give birth here. Oh god. Hell yeah. Dude, that is sick.
Looks awesome.
Woohoo. That looks nice.
The welds are good.
Yeah. That's cool. Alright, so yeah, this is a Cobalt Axleback exhaust. There are two kind of main eBay brands. There was a Manzo, which kind of has some issues with fitment, and then there's the Cobalt. This is a little bit more expensive, but I just kind of figured, why not? So yeah, let's install this. Should be pretty simple. It's just an Axleback, like 3 hangers, and it should be in. So let's get to it.
Yeah. More. A little bit more. Good.
I'm too old to like not use WD-40. So there's really only 2 bolts that you're gonna need to take out. There's one right here, since it's an Axleback. It's behind the axle. So this is gonna come out. There's what, 2 hangers? Yep. There we go. She's a little crusty. Oh god. So we also just used a breaker baller. You guys didn't really see it, but this thing's come in handy. There we go. Nice. Alright, so one of the greatest tools ever invented is an exhaust hanger tool. These things are amazing. Also, I have glasses. But yeah, these things are absolutely amazing, and I'll show you why. Alright, here we go. Okay, that's off. Now we just gotta pull it out. Okay. Sick. Fuck. Oh my god, what a piece of shit.
There should be some couple pounds here and there.
Oh yeah,
probably.
Yeah. If I just like feel it, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's like at least like 5 to 10. Honestly, that's a big difference. This is why the tool is so useful. Boop. Like, look at that. Like, I don't know, that's just crazy. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. It's still pretty quiet, so we're gonna need some more. But you know, sounds good. Looks pretty good. Pipe's nice and big. It's a lot bigger than stock, so that's good. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer. And yeah, consider subscribing. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Tell me what I did wrong. Yeah, have a good one, guys.